Yes, nah. I dey sing die. I dey sing like whiskey. If I sing for you and you go able to sing, I meet Chief Whiskey sef. But you go see na whiskey dey sing.
You be mumu.
Marvelous.
Yeah, I dey come, I dey come. I agree to everybody, but I want senior and I want junior.
Marvelous. Can you sing?
Yes, nah. I dey sing die. I dey sing like whiskey. If I sing for you and you go able to sing, I meet Chief Whiskey sef. But you go see na whiskey dey sing.
You be mumu.
Wow. Can you also sing like Burna Boy or Davido?
No, na like whiskey. Star boy, big ways. I dey sing like I'm dying.
Continue.
Okay. Go ahead and sing. I'm listening.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nigeria na problem. Just a problem. I just tired, everybody tired. Show you tired. Even me, self, I tired. Everybody, we just tired. This country, we tired. Poverty, we tired. President, we just tired. Since matter, we just tired. You go explain. Tired.
Oh, no.
I check am.
You be
I
mumu.
dey sing die.
Hey, Michael. So that boy just dey sing like portable.
No, not be portable. It dey sing like Kata Efe.
No, not be Kata Efe. You know the hear voice. It be like portable.
Even portable and Kata Efe say they sing past nonsense. No hear the way we trying to sing. See we find beats when they play game and just waste time. Some fit do music under yourself, you no go blow. Because they sing nonsense.
Ogun. Na I go kpai una too.
Photo.
Idiot. I dey talk nonsense. When they sing like whiskey,
Will you keep
they
quiet?
talk rubbish.
This boy still get mind, they talk say they sing like whiskey. Even when they sing, you know they follow beats.
God punish na too.
Continue.
Na na panel dey sing follow beat. Idiot. Waka, take am.
Is that you? Man. Oh, mumu not too much.
Yeah. Thanks for watching. Hope you love that. Please subscribe for more videos like this. If you don't like this one, you're gonna like the next one. I promise. I beg. Just subscribe. One love.